to all. Now we will see about the requirements related to health, safety and welfare in the courts organization of government unit. While designing a government unit, what are all the safety measures and welfare measures we have to take care of. Then while coming to see about the health and safety, we have to see about the cleanliness. That means we have to maintain cleanliness in the unit, then ventilation, then temperature, then air circulation, then humidity, then atmosphere, then drinking water facility, sanitation facilities, then safety measures, then machines and all we have to check each and every time, like electricity flow, and then cutting machineries we have to take care of the blades, whether it is blunt or so okay. Like that, if there are any emergencies, we have to keep on the safety measures. Like when coming to see about the welfare measures, we have to look after canteen facilities, washing facilities, then sick room if the workers are not feeling well means they have to take rest. Then medicinal facilities, then insurance like medicinal health insurance, like welfare measures, then child care facility. When the young mothers are working means they have to bring their children to keep them safe in the unit itself. Like that we have to look after all these welfare measures. So while designing the government unit, we have to see all these things. Is there any doubt? Coming to the cleanliness, the unit should be maintained hygienically, like toilet facilities, like that. Then drinking water also, we have to provide a good drinking water facility. Then canteen facility, whether they are unable to bring lunch and all, they will be able to take food in the unit itself. And then medicinal facilities, like always we have to keep the doctor, and if they are having any emergency, they have to take medicinal benefits. Then when coming to the welfare measures, like insurance, health insurance, like medicinal benefits, like sponsoring medicines to their children, to the family, like that we have to provide everything. Then in the canteen itself we have to provide good drinking water also, so that they will be able to utilize the units properly. There, so safety measures and welfare measures are very important in the government unit while designing it. According to the size of the unit, then location of the unit, whether in which area, whether it is a rural area or an urban area. If they are having any transport difficulties, we have to provide transport facility for them to brought to the units. Then in addition to all these things, we have to provide product. Okay, so